Hello, Adams. This is Miss Kovarek, and I am here with your pizza raffle for last week. Before I spin the wheel, we wanted to give some shout outs to some boys and girls that have been working really hard and they completed every assignment last week. So from 4A, we wanted to give a shout out to Zaire, Jada, Janaya, Marius, Adua, and Luke. From 4B, My King, Ava, Jayshawn, Anthony, and Katie. From 4C, Shafi, Alani, Sophie, Serenity, and Damani. And from 4D, Kyrie, Miranda Lynn, and Liz Marie. Great job, boys and girls. We are so proud of each and every one of you. Please keep up the great work. Remember to watch those videos. It is so important that you watch the videos. That is your lesson. You need to watch them. Um, Also, make sure you're reading directions and you are getting on Zoom if you have any questions or want any help with assignments. We are here for you. We miss you. We hope you're staying healthy and safe, and we can't wait to see you again soon. All right, without further ado, let me scroll through quick so you can see everybody's names. I hope you trust me by now, but just to be fair, here's everyone's names. Lots and lots of entries from some of you. All right, let's do this. Congratulations, Devin. Remember, we will be back again with another winner next Monday. So work hard on those assignments this week. Let us know if you need help, and we hope you have a great day. Goodbye, Adams.